We're going to do a quick streak test. And I use a little diamond file or these little discs that I use to cut things and polish things with. And so I can go like this, and it scratches it, but it also puts the stuff on here. I'm probably going to have to put the thing down and pick it up with both hands. Hold on. So I scratched it pretty good there, and I've got the stuff here on my little disc, and you can see that it's kind of silken. Whoa, come on, baby. Kind of a silvery gold color. It is, in fact, a light golden color and bright silver. Both. Both, because it's made out of 24 karat gold and 24 karat platinum in various mixes. Now, the red has more gold in it, and you can see as you get closer that it's not really so red so much as kind of a dark gold color with a little red in it. And it's not copper. There's no copper in there at all. I don't get any of that green stuff, nothing, right? And it would show up here when you do the scratch test. Even if it's mixed with gold, the copper will show up. But what we have is AUPT, okay? So the easiest, best, most sure test is to do a specific gravity test. Do that, and it'll tell you specific gravity weighs the stone, and then it weighs the amount of water it displaces. So we measure the weight to volume ratio. That's what it is, weight to volume. And it gives us a ratio, a single number, in this case, 20. It is 20 times heavier than water. Gold is 19, platinum is 21. Lead, for instance, the really heavy lead, is only 16. And so when I weigh this and do the specific gravity, it eliminates all the other stuff, because you can't make copper weigh as much as gold. You can't do it. You can't fake this stuff. You can't stick a machine on there and get a reading, and when you do that, and you didn't make that machine or really don't understand how that machine works, and you really don't understand what it's testing, you're just waiting for a result, you've got an extra variable involved, yourself. These tests, when you do a hardness test, right, you scratch a stone with another stone. Take this stone, make a scratch on this stone. Ha ha! Look at that. You know what? This is a diamond. I didn't know this was so hard, man. And that's probably why the streak is white. Maybe it's a diamond. No, it's not. It's AUPT. And AUPT also forms in fault lines with diamonds, and it was squeezed in that fault line to as close together as it can get. And that's why it's so hard. Okay? It won't pass a current because it has covalent bonds. Not because it's not metal, but because it doesn't have metallic bonds. The electrons are tied up in covalent bonds between gold and platinum. They're not the same kind of metal, so they don't have the same electron configuration to join together like copper and gold do, or silver and gold. Platinum group metals are different, they're separate. This stuff allows me to, when I melt it, I can add aluminum and magnesium to make it softer, make it easier to work with. It's really, really hard. And there's a lot of it. It's pretty much everywhere. So it can replace iron and aluminum and gold and platinum and silver and all of that stuff. I don't know if you've ever been by a gold mine. They are an ecological no-go zone. They destroy the environment. Copper mines are called copper mines, but they mine gold and pay taxes on copper. And they destroy that land. It is forever destroyed because they then try to separate the metals with cyanide. Good stuff. And it misses this stuff. They don't get this stuff at all because this is not soluble in cyanide. So they miss it. They don't get it at all. And it turns out that most of the world is made out of this stuff. What that means is gold is not really rare at all, nor platinum. They are extremely beautiful, they are extremely useful, but they're not rare.